And welcome back guys to another video. Today we're making Moon from Security Breach. Let's just start right away. First you need some pencil colors and watercolors and some scissors and another pencil. And you need some markers and sharpener and a brush. Let's get started. First you're going to have to clear up your space, and then you need some white color, dip it into your palette, and then wash it away. Then add some gray. We don't want it too much dark though. We just want a little bit, so yeah. And after that, just follow as I show. And also, I did not get the design from any YouTube site or anything. I got it from Google. So, if you want to make this craft also like a wall hanging decoration for your own house or on your door, then go and search up on Google. And also, I just fast forward the video so that it won't be like 1 hour long video. And I draw the design first from Google, and then I cut it out so it won't be too long. So I hope you follow the process that I'm showing, and hopefully everything goes as planned. And now, since we're done with the half of the face, let's get started on the whole face. Let's add some details here and there and finish off the design. So we're going to add some gray to the hat. Just it's going to be a little more lighter than the original one which you picked. We're going to add more gray for more shading. After that, we're going to use some pencil colors and everything. So just follow step by step, and I hopefully think that your design comes pretty good and everything else. And now you're going to dip some more white color into your gray, so it becomes more lighter and everything else. Now, I did a bit of a mistake here. The nose should be a bit more further away than the eye, but it's alright. And let's add the cheeks here and there, and that should be pretty good. Now add white over the face and the nose, and everything should be good. Just keep on following my steps and you'll get there eventually.
Children must be punished.
Also add over the teeth and everything else. Add over the cheeks, and you should be pretty good with the gray. And also add it on the hat too, so yeah. Add over the head and just do as I follow. If you've made this far in the video, please like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments what should I make next. Now we're going to use some blue. Since it's not light enough, we're going to add more white to it and everything else. Now I did overdo it a little bit more, so you'll see me making it dark later on in the video, so yeah. Now I'm not good at making stars, so yeah, they're not be perfect and all, so hopefully it goes well. Now I've made the blue more darker, and let's apply it over the hat, so because I messed up, so yeah.
There's only one rule. Keep the lights on.
Let's go a little on top here and the bottom, and yeah, looks pretty good actually.
Why would you do that? Lights on! Lights on! I warned you! I warned you!
Take some red and add to the eyes, just as I show. Keep a little white spot, so yeah. Sorry about the bird audio, so yeah, hopefully everything goes fine, and hopefully no more disturbances there. And add some yellow to the stars, and everything should be good. Then add some yellow to the bell, or whatever it is, I don't know. Now we're gonna get these watercolors out of the way, and now it's the fun part. So we're gonna take your marker and draw as I show. And then after the marker, we have to do some shading, so yeah.
You are bad for from the daycare. Security alert! Security alert!
After that, outer the cheeks and then his eyebrows. I don't know if they're eyebrows or whatever they are. Add some more spots here and there on the nose, on the bottom side of the jaw, and everything else. And on top of the head. Now we're going to start with the hat and the teeth. First of all, make sure you add the mouth first and then add the teeth. As you can see, I was using an image from Google to draw it and everything else. You're going to make the other eye entirely black, okay? And just leave some little bit of space for gray on the eyes. And we add some more details inside, and everything looks pretty good. Now, make a circle on the cheek, and let's get started on the hat. Let's draw the outline on the stars. And like that. And now let's do the bell. As you can probably see, I added some lines on the hat, so it could be useful for shading and all. Now you can turn pencil colors and start shading. So we're gonna use black on the eye. Now it's not gonna be too dark, so yeah, to make some dusty parts and everything. Like he's old and all, so yeah.
Finger paint, tell stories, drink fancy Vacitor as it's cloud and unstable night!
We're going to lightly apply black all over the face. So just do as I follow and do it a bit more darker on the cheeks, and everything else should be pretty good. And we're finally getting to the end. We're going to do some more shading on the nose and on the cheeks and the bottom of the jaw. Some more on the teeth and everywhere else. Now let's do some shading on the hat as I showed. Bit more shading on the hat to make it perfect, and over the eye sockets. And we are finished with Moon. Which one was the better one, the sun or the moon? Well, see you guys later. Bye bye.